Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make an audio call with your friends or family in a group chat on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to start a group audio call on Messenger, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're all set, open the Messenger app. Now, take a look at your chat list, scroll through your conversations and tap on the group chat you want to call. If you haven't created a group yet, you can do so by tapping the pencil icon in the top right corner, selecting Create a New Group, and adding the people you want to include. But for now, let's focus on an existing group. Once you're inside the group chat, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a phone icon. That's what you're looking for. Tap on the phone icon. Messenger will immediately start calling everyone in the group. Each member will receive a notification inviting them to join the call. As people pick up, you'll see their icons appear on your screen, and you'll be able to talk to everyone at once, just like a conference call. During the call, you can mute your microphone, turn on your speaker, or even add more people if you need to. When you're finished, simply tap the red phone button to hang up and end the call for yourself. And that's it. Making an audio call in a Messenger group is quick and easy, perfect for catching up with friends, planning events, or connecting with family. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need a little help with Messenger. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.